Hi, this is George. I am currently testing the camcorder feature of my HTC HD2, and I'm going to try and upload this later. I don't know, maybe via Facebook or YouTube, and see how fast or how efficient it is to use the T-Mobile 3G network. So this is my workplace. Uh, as you can see, there's a lot of computers because I'm a computer tech. Okay, and this is my cube, my monitor. And yep, this is just a first look. That's my flip phone right there. Not phone, but flip video. Okay.